girls, everywhere I turn, I can see them. Little girls, night and day I eat, sleep, and breathe them. I'm an ordinary woman with feelings. I like a man to nibble at my ears, but I'll admit no man has bit. So how come I'm the mother here? One day I'll step on their freckles. One day I'll straighten their curls. Send the flood, send the flu, anything that you can do.